there's a lot you can do as a teacher where you can, I mean, if you get creative, that's the thing. My job is to facilitate the creativity of teachers that work with. And the thing about it is, I'm not here to just talk about. We're going to ensure that the job is done. Yeah. So, leading by example, folks. This is just an example of what a live stream would look like on any page of your, I have 2 pages dedicated to education outside of this one. One called Boss Man Teaching, which is also something else designed for teachers as well, right? This is where I teach the teachers how to do the things that I do at Boss Man Teaching and First Person Tutor, right? You're taught how to build your own brand as a teacher, how to manage your social media, how to run your ads. Now, here's the thing. If you would like me to handle it for you, you go over to Boss Man Teaching. All right? So that's where I handle the problem for you. It's like, oh, you don't want to deal with it yourself? I'll handle it for you. Over here, I will teach you how to get it done. And if you want to handle it yourself, it's up to you. But if you don't want to handle it yourself, then you go to Boss Man Teaching. And then First Person Tutor is all about dealing with the students, right? The needs of the students. So PEP students, CSEC students, the City and Guild students. Yeah. Right? So I'm going to be a busy bee. Going to be a busy bee. So I'm also going to make an edition where we stream directly from Zoom to YouTube. So this is the Facebook edition. All right. Oh, by the way, yeah, this is a segment on Boss Man Teaching, right? Since we all know Pi, let's make this art. And the Pi stands for PIE, which is perspective is everything, and ARC, a real conversation. So since we all know perspective is everything, let's make this a real conversation. Yeah. Yeah. There's a lot to do. There's a lot. It's a lot of work. But I am willing to make the work that you do less burdensome. I will teach you the know-how so that you're more comfortable. And then you decide if you want to collaborate or if you would like someone to handle the management of the content for you while you focus on making the content, right? Because those are the options, right? You can handle it yourself or you let Boss Man Teaching handle it for you. Whichever one you want. So nobody is holding a gun to your head saying it has to be this way or that way. So I'm not making this longer than it needs to be, right? The attitude has to be die when you die, because discipline is everything when you do it every time. So now we're going to head on over to do the YouTube edition of Going Live. All right? So again, the attitude has to be die when you die, because discipline is everything when you do it every time. All right, so we're about to head into the YouTube segment of it now, which will not be difficult, right? I'm going to hide my camera just for the sake of what would we call it now? Making it cinematic, I suppose, right? Okay, yes. All right. Yeah, happy birthday to me. All right. I could easily mute my mic, but I'm not saying anything I'm not supposed to, right? I'm behaving myself. All right, so we are live, ladies and gentlemen. Happy birthday to me on this November 19th, right? This is interesting. I don't know what I'm looking at right now. What is this? Oh, okay, I understand. Okay. All right. Um, yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to We Still on Learn. Right? Now, of course, what I did before was the Facebook edition. This is now the YouTube edition. Right? Yeah. I feel like the Facebook Live is a little bit more difficult to do. Now, one of the things that I think, or rather that I would encourage, I mean, so here's the issue. You need to have Zoom Pro. The best thing to do is